Welcome to this tutorial on tagging and creating radio buttons in the Prep Tag Editor. Radio buttons allow users to select a single option from multiple choices, making them essential for interactive form fields and accessibility. To tag and create radio buttons, first, click the form creation icon in the Prep Tag Editor to open the form elements tagging options. Next, enable draw mode and select the radio button option. Then, draw a bounding box around the desired area to place the radio button. To configure the radio button, enter the field name. Add a tooltip. Enter the button choice. To create additional radio buttons, clone the existing radio button by clicking the toolbar's Clone Tag option or pressing 9 on your keyboard. Ensure the field name and tooltip remain the same. Modify the button choice for each option. Once all radio buttons are created, group them into a paragraph tag. To do this, select a radio button box and its choice. Click the plus button. Select P for paragraph to properly structure the form field. That's it. You've successfully tagged and created radio buttons in the Prep Tag Editor. Thank you.